Everything's getting very exciting here for the Bengal Tigers, certainly with their claws out. I've got captain with me, and I was just asking him, what did you say to your boys after that game in Bangalore? Because, you know, obviously they pulled up more than just their socks.
See, all of us realized that there's one area that was fielding and bowling. Like these two areas, we were basically not up to the mark, not up to the standard. So we tried and worked hard on that area, and thankfully it was showing today in the matches. Like we almost took all the catches, and there was a decent fielding and bowling also. Like we just thought that we should bowl a good line. That's it. And I think like the boys did a good job.
Absolutely. I mean, you triggered an absolute collapse from this team. On the other hand, your batsmen have approached it completely differently. You're just on the run rate. You managed to keep wickets in hand. So, you know, they've done it very consistently, not succumb to the pressure.
I think like cricket is a game until and unless it doesn't get finished and doesn't get over. You never know. But yes, I think like boys are definitely doing well. And the match is very much in our favor now, and I'm sure like we will win. Fingers crossed.
All right. Now, obviously, a completely different profession that you come from. Is there anything that you can take from your profession that has helped you become a has helped you as a cricketer? I mean, maybe just keeping your emotions in check and making sure that no one figures out what you're thinking.
I think the passion. That's it. Passion towards this game and passion towards our profession. I would say passion, we are bringing in passion here from our profession.
And how are you looking forward to playing at Eden Gardens? I know you will have a couple of games in Kolkata as well, which is, you know, the famous Eden Gardens.
Would love to. Eden Garden is a dream ground, a ground where everybody would dream to play. And I'm excited. We have watched several matches there. And the feeling itself is a great feeling that we would be playing there.
Now, you do have Sourav Ganguly as a mentor, so I know he's been quite busy, but has he had a chance to talk to the team, give you any words of advice?
He said that T20 in this form of game, wherever you see the ball, hit the ball. And that was the suggestion he gave us.
And that seems exactly what your batsmen are doing at the moment. Thanks so much for talking to us.
Thanks so much.
All right, it's back over to you. Just hit the ball. That's T20 for you.
Finally, Raja trying to bludgeon the ball so far, manages to get it on the bat. The ball suddenly keeping very low, and this is, I think, the shape of things to come. Mumbai Heroes team already in the ground, must be watching it very carefully. Same pitch going to be used. Ramana giving tips to the bowler. You still feel there is some hope. 9 wickets in hand for Bengal Tigers. The required run rate under 7 and over, no pressure whatsoever, but things can change. Lack of experience at this level or batting in crunch situations can let down a team. 2-3 wickets can go in a jiffy, and suddenly the next batsman coming in is under tremendous pressure. So a couple of good overs, some luck can change things around, and I think Chennai Rhinos know that. They've been through that last season. They are the defending champions. They lost to Mumbai Heroes the first game in Sharjah, won a close one last night in Hyderabad, and now they're looking down the barrel. This is the 6th game of the CCL season 2. 34 runs required from 30 balls now. So 97 for 1 after 15 overs.